I scored a 524 on the MCAT. Let me show you how I answer questions.
A graph of the hydropathy index versus residue number of a membrane protein is shown. According to the graph, how many transmembrane regions does this protein most likely contain? So without really understanding this too much, we can still answer the question, because thinking about it, what does hydropathy probably mean? Well, it probably is a measure of how hydrophobic something is. And if it's a hydropathy index, right, then probably a higher number is reflective of more hydrophobicity, right? And so if we look, whenever you have a positive hydropathic index, right, you basically are probably going to have hydrophobic residues in that specific region of this graph, right? So there's only really two regions that go above the line, which presumably is the 0 point, okay? And it's going to be here, okay? So all of the residues in this one and here, okay? So since there's only two of them, there must be two transmembrane regions, because remember that transmembrane regions are going to be ones that go through the interior of the bilipid membrane, right? And the interior of these membranes is hydrophobic because that's where those phospholipid tails are going to be found. And so for a transmembrane protein, the regions that are actually in the membranes have to be made up of hydrophobic residues, right? And so here we see that there's two of these regions, right? So B is going to be the correct answer.